What if I told you one of social media's most impressive calisthenics athletes never did gymnastics growing up? That she didn't do her first pull-up until her early 20s? Today, we're diving into the inspiring journey of Linnea, known to her hundreds of thousands of followers as Linnea, a woman who transformed her life through fitness and is now transforming the lives of others. Unlike many fitness influencers, Linnea's story doesn't begin with childhood athletics. Her journey started during her second year of college, at a time when she was facing personal struggles with emotional eating and self-worth issues. During this challenging period, Linnea made a decision that would change everything. She got a gym membership and committed to consistency. What began as weight loss soon evolved into something much more profound, a complete transformation of both body and mind. The early days of her fitness journey were humble. She began without weights, then gradually progressed to using the lightest dumbbells available. Each small step forward built the foundation for what would become an extraordinary path in fitness. What makes Linnea's journey remarkable is how it challenges our assumptions about fitness influencers. She didn't have the head start many assume. There was no background in gymnastics, no childhood spent in competitive sports, just determination and consistency. Her early 20s marked the beginning of her serious strength training, including her first pull-ups. This authenticity resonates with her followers. Her journey isn't about overnight success, it's about consistent effort and gradual progress. The motivation that initially drove her, proving others wrong, eventually transformed into something more powerful, proving herself right. This shift in perspective represents the deeper transformation that accompanied her physical changes. Today, Linnea is known for her explosive training style that combines calisthenics, sprints, and strength work. Let's look at what makes her approach unique. Her signature workouts often include high-intensity interval training twice weekly, featuring incline sprints at challenging grades and speeds. But what sets her approach apart is her emphasis on personalization, encouraging followers to modify parameters to get the most benefit from their own workouts. Her calisthenics achievements have earned her recognition across social media platforms, with videos on mastering calisthenics techniques garnering hundreds of thousands of views and likes. Beyond specific exercises, Linnea's philosophy centers on the concept of physical freedom, using fitness as a vehicle for self-discovery and personal achievement. This holistic approach views physical training as a pathway to broader life improvements. Like any journey worth taking, Linnea's path hasn't been without obstacles. She's openly shared about dealing with injuries, including a labral tear that required her to modify her training approach. Rather than viewing this as a setback, she incorporated footwork drills and plyometrics into her rehabilitation. These adaptations not only aided her recovery, but became valuable components of her training methodology, improving coordination, agility, and explosiveness. This adaptability in the face of challenges demonstrates a core principle of her approach: setbacks are opportunities for growth and innovation. It's a lesson that extends beyond fitness into all areas of life. Today, Linnea has built an impressive online presence with over 260,000 Instagram followers and a strong presence on TikTok. Her engagement rate of 2.29% and average of 5,800 likes per post demonstrate the meaningful connections she's established with her audience. As an athlete for Runner Active and BPN supplements, her influence continues to grow. But what truly sets her content apart is her focus on both physical and mental growth. Her social media evolution reflects her personal journey. Earlier content focused more on aesthetic goals and external validation, while her current approach emphasizes training for personal fulfillment and holistic well-being. This shift resonates deeply with followers who are seeking more than just physical transformations. They're looking for sustainable approaches to fitness that enhance overall quality of life. Throughout her content, certain themes emerge that have become Linnea's trademark inspirational messages. She emphasizes the importance of doing what feels right for you, regardless of external criticism or doubt. She encourages followers to embrace mistakes as essential components of the growth process. This perspective transforms setbacks from failures into valuable learning opportunities. Perhaps most importantly, she champions the idea that small progress is still progress, a simple but powerful reminder that resonates with anyone who's ever felt intimidated by fitness content that showcases only dramatic transformations. Her approach acknowledges that true strength comes through acceptance and growth, evolving into your best self through consistent effort rather than dramatic overnight changes. Linnea's journey from college struggles to fitness phenomenon isn't just about physical transformation. It's about discovering your own path and staying true to it despite obstacles or criticism. Her mantra, "Be better, do better," encapsulates her approach to both fitness and life, a continuous journey of improvement that's measured not by comparison to others, but by your own growth. As Linnea continues to evolve her content and expand her influence, her story remains a powerful reminder that it's never too late to begin, that consistency trumps talent, and that the most meaningful journey is the one that leads to personal fulfillment. If you found Linnea's story inspiring, make sure to follow her at LinneaLiftsLiffy across social platforms. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your own fitness journey in the comments below.